AI is coming to your industry if it isn't already here. But AI needs lots of speed and computing power. So how do you compute without costs spiraling? Upgrade to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. OCI is the blazing fast and secure platform for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI workloads. Right now, Oracle is offering to cut your current cloud bill in half if you move to OCI for new U.S. customers with minimum financial commitment. Offer ends March 31st. See if your company qualifies at oracle.com/DCR.
Ready for your next adventure? KLM Royal Dutch Airlines brings you Real Deal Days, your chance to uncover real adventures and create real memories. Taste the real Amsterdam, explore the real Barcelona, and discover the real Johannesburg, along with many more destinations around the world. Secure your real deal today and seize the moment with KLM Royal Dutch Airlines. Restrictions apply. See terms and conditions at klm.com.
It's 8 a.m. Eastern, March 12th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up slightly at $82,995. ETH is up slightly at $1,916. XRP is up slightly at $2.20. Those are your leaders by market cap. Top gainers in the last 24 hours. Pi up 20%. Well, South Korea plans to issue institutional crypto investment guidelines in Q3, lifting the de facto ban on institutional investment. The Financial Services Commission announced the move in a meeting with crypto industry experts, with guidelines for nonprofits and exchanges expected by April. The FSC first revealed in January its plan to gradually ease restrictions. The shift marks a departure from South Korea's past opposition to crypto in traditional finance. The upcoming guidelines will cover best practices for trading, disclosure, and reporting. While local media speculated on potential approval of spot crypto ETFs, the FSC has not commented on the matter. Well, hype dropped 9% after a whale liquidation event led to a $4 million loss in Hyperliquid's HLP vault. Some speculated manipulation, but Hyperliquid confirmed there was no exploit or hack, although it's not clear if this was a bad actor. The trader made a $1.8 million profit, while the HLP absorbed the $4 million loss. Hyperliquid stated the liquidation engine couldn't handle the position size, but reassured users that HLP remains profitable long-term, with an all-time P&L of $60 million. In response, max leverage for BTC and ETH will be lowered to 40x and 25x to reduce liquidation risks. Well, the House voted to repeal an IRS rule requiring DeFi brokers to collect and report user data, setting it up for Senate approval and then Trump's desk. The measure passed with bipartisan support from 291 House members. The rule, finalized in the last days of the Biden administration, would have required some DeFi participants to issue 1099 tax forms, similar to those used for gambling winnings and royalties. Critics argued it would push crypto businesses offshore and impose heavy compliance burdens. The Blockchain Association and other groups sued the IRS over it. The Senate already voted 70-28 in favor of repeal last week and must vote again before sending it to Trump, who is expected to sign it. Well, Sony's Soneium blockchain is integrating Line's mini apps, starting with 4 on-chain games in the coming months. The partnership aims to enhance user experience, with Soneium providing community building, marketing, and IP collaboration support for Line's mini app developers. Sony's blockchain arm, based in Singapore, developed Soneium as an Ethereum Layer 2 network. And finally, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest sold $29 million worth of Block shares over 2 days, rebalancing its portfolio. Block, led by Jack Dorsey, is down 36% this year. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
How are business leaders working to confront climate change? For that answer, listen to the award-winning Climate Rising podcast, produced by Harvard Business School and hosted by me, Mike Toffel, a professor at HBS. Each episode, we share a behind-the-scenes view into how startups and the biggest businesses like Microsoft, Google, and Seventh Generation are tackling the central issue of our era. Check out Climate Rising wherever you get your podcasts.
Hi, I'm Rick Rubeck.
And I'm Royce Yudkoff.
Are you interested in becoming an entrepreneur, owning your own business, and being your own boss?
Our new podcast from Harvard Business School, Think Big, Buy Small, explores becoming an entrepreneur through the acquisition of an enduringly profitable small business. In this series, we guide listeners how to buy their own small business, including determining if this path is right for them, evaluating prospects, raising the capital they'll need to purchase a small business, closing the deal, and more.
Follow Think Big, Buy Small, wherever you get your podcasts.